are.
Hi. You Gabe, turn around.
Hello, world.
John, turn around.
Hi, Mom.
I miss you. Watch your backs.
Yep, don't move. There's room. You can slide in. Can you help it on? I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
Yep.
This might have been a short one too. I don't know. It's part of the adventure.
We'll find out.
I need you guys to give me some more room.
Keep going.
Watch out for those rocks.
When we get to the front, just to spot me.
Yeah, you just got him.
Alright. Just give me 2 seconds. Uh-oh.
Oh, take your time. You want to go that way? One.
That way. Don't
Watch it. Yeah, go the other way actually. The rocks there.
Alright.
Let me know when you're ready. I guess you're ready. Good, perfect. Excellent, Gabe, excellent. That's why we brought you along.
Alright.
Come on, flex. Go.
Yeah!
All right, and Jonathan's only got one pack today. How heavy is it?
It's lightweight.
I mean, it's the ultralight food bags.
Yep.
Do you want to do that one first?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah, we got to go to the right.
Time to get that next foot is double dry.
It's dry enough to hop in the water.
How's your day going, Tom?
My groin is on fire right now.
I'm sure the people at home are going to love to hear that. I'm sure the people at home are going to love to hear
Oh my God, John! What'd you say?
Well, you enjoy yourself.
I I had no idea. No, I did not sign a release.
How's your day, Jonathan?
Good. Ate an entire apple, core and all.
Oh,
The seeds were delicious. Taste like cherries. Would recommend.
Spread that trash bag. Jan.
I always take like a bunch just in case one comes out bad.
We're 3/5 there.
Or 60%.
My apple core.
Alright, that's good.
Big enough.
Now we're for a meat
Brownies.
Yay! Yay, brownies.
Alright.
Your shoes. Those look like fun. How are they working out? I got mine over here to dry a little bit. How was your day?
It's pretty good. Pretty good other than the hike.
What was
But
the best part of the day?
I don't know. Rowing for a few hours straight. It was pretty fun.
Yeah, what did you have for breakfast?
Breakfast. I had a lump of sausage on a naan with very, very large slice of cheese. That's it.
How was that?
And salt and nut roll. That thing's amazing.
I had that at lunch.
John, why is the spoon on the floor?
It's supposed to be for lunch. What we had for breakfast. I think that's what got me for the morning. The
Salt and nut roll?
Yes. I don't know why. I'm like backing
Okay, I'll happily watch you.